Hey developers, this is how we can build better apps faster. Welcome to this video on the 12-factor application methodology. We'll cover everything you need to know about the approach to building scalable, maintainable, and resilient software applications. Let's get into it. So what is the 12-factor application methodology? It's a set of best practices for building modern cloud-native applications that can run on any platform or infrastructure. Exactly what we're looking for, right? This helpful methodology was developed by a team of software engineers at Heroku, a cloud application platform provider. But what are those 12 factors? Let's take a look at them. Codebase. There should be one codebase tracked in version control, and multiple deployments should be made from that codebase. Dependencies. Dependencies should be explicitly declared and isolated. This ensures that each deployment has the same dependencies and can run consistently. Config. Configuration should be stored in the environment and not in the code. This allows for configuration changes to be made without modifying the code. Backing services. Services such as databases or messages queues should be treated as attached resources and accessed through a URL or other identifier. Build, release, run. These should be separated into distinct stages, with each stage having its own responsibilities. Processes. Applications should be designed to be stateless and should run as one or more processes. This makes them more scalable and resilient. Port binding. Applications should be self-contained and should explicitly declare the port they will listen on. Concurrency. Applications should be able to scale horizontally by adding more processes. Disposability. Applications should be able to start and stop quickly and should gracefully handle any shutdowns. DevOps parity. The development, staging, and production environment should be as similar as possible. Logs. Applications should produce logs in a structured format, and these logs should be treated as event streams. Admin processes. Administrative tasks should run as one-off processes, not as part of the application. Now that we've explored all 12 factors, I know what you're wondering. What are the benefits? And why should I follow the 12-factor application methodology? Well, let's talk about it. By following this approach, you can create great, highly scalable, maintainable, and resilient applications. Let's check out some of the benefits of implementing the 12-factor application methodology. Scalability. This methodology emphasizes stateless design and horizontal scaling, making it easier to add more resources to handle increased traffic or workload. Maintainability. Promoting modularity and code-based management facilitates maintaining, updating, and adding new features to the application. Portability. The 12-factor application advocates for platform independence, meaning that the application can run on any platform or infrastructure, allowing for easy migration between different environments. Consistency. Developers can ensure consistency and repeatability in application deployment by highlighting the importance of code version control, explicit declaration of dependencies, and the separation of build, release, and run stages. Resilience. Prioritizing disposability allows applications to start and stop quickly and handle any shutdowns gracefully. Security. The security of the application is improved by the separation of the configuration from code and the use of environment variables for sensitive information. So now you know, the awesome 12-factor application methodology can be a lifesaver. But wait, before you start implementing it, while it can be a useful approach for building modern cloud-native applications, there may be situations where it's not the best fit. Here are some scenarios where the 12-factor application methodology may not be the most appropriate. Number 1, legacy systems. Number 2, small projects. Number 3, monolithic applications. 4, compliance requirements. And 5, limited resources. So in these cases, it may be better to use a different approach or methodology that fits your specific needs and constraints. And if you want to learn more about when to use these best practices, we've got you covered. Check out our full blog on how to use the 12-factor application methodology. We'll leave a link down below. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the 12-factor application methodology. By following these best practices, you can build highly scalable, maintainable, and resilient applications that can run on any platform or infrastructure. If you have any questions or are interested in implementing software development best practices in any of your projects, please feel free to contact us at sales@clickitech.com, where one of our sales representatives will be happy to get in touch with you to discuss your requirements further. Until next time, click you later.